Graph the equation by making a table. Question asks, find three ordered pairs that are solutions of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 1. The recommendations for how to solve this type of problem are to first write the equation in function form, meaning we solve for y. Second step, select values of x and then solve for y. Third step, organize the data in a table or as an ordered pair. Let's go ahead and begin with the first step. Write the equation in function form, meaning we solve the equation for y. In order to solve for y, we need to isolate the y, get the y alone, meaning the 2x needs to move to the other side of the equal sign. To do that, I am going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equal sign. Notice that I'm subtracting 2x off to the side on the right side of the equal sign. This is because 1 and negative 2x are not like terms and we cannot subtract them. 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. The y drops down and we're left with y is equal to 1 minus 2x. We have written the equation in function form. Now let's write our equation in function form here in our table. Y is equal to 1 minus 2x. The second step is to select values of x and then solve for y. Looking at our graph, we can see we have negative 5 to 0 and 0 to positive 5. So if we chose values that are evenly spaced on this x-axis, a good value would be negative 4, 0, and positive 4. Let's go ahead and fill in our x values. Negative 4, 0, and positive 4. Now that we've selected our values of x, we are going to solve for y. So how do we do that? Well, when x is negative 4, we're going to plug it in to the equation and solve for y. So first step is to substitute. Y is equal to 1 minus 2 times negative 4. We're going to do the multiplication, and it is negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. So y is equal to 1 plus 8, and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Let's go ahead and solve the equation when x is 0. How do we do this? We are going to substitute in 0 for x in the equation and solve for y. Let's start by rewriting the equation with the value of 0 substituted for x, like so. And we're going to perform the multiplication. Negative 2 times 0 is 0, so we are left with y is equal to 1. Let's now do the same for 4. We're going to let x be equal to 4 and substitute in the value of 4 for x in the equation. Y is equal to 1 minus 2 times 4. That's going to make y is equal to 1 minus 8. And y is going to equal to negative 7. Now we move on to step 3. Organize the data in a table or as an ordered pair. Let's go ahead and write our ordered pairs in the third column. And remember, an ordered pair is parentheses x, comma, y, parentheses. In this first row, when our x is negative 4, our y is 9. So let's go ahead and write down our ordered pair. Negative 4 for our x, comma, 9, parentheses. When our x is 0 in our second row, y is equal to 1, 0, comma 1. And for the third row, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 7. Now that we have our ordered pair, we can graph them. Let's start with the first point. Negative 4, comma 9. Oh wow, 9 is off the chart. 6, 7, 8, 9. When x is 0, y is going to be 1. When x is 4, y is going to be negative 7. 4, negative 1, negative 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right here. So now that we have our 3 points, we can go ahead and connect the dots, draw our line. It's unfortunate that I chose negative 4 since it's off the graph. So perhaps when you complete this problem, you can choose an x such as negative 2 and positive 2 and 0 to keep all of the points on the graph. The final step is we are going to write our ordered pairs. First one goes here, second one is here, and the third one is here. Let's do that now. Negative 4, comma 9. We have 0, comma 1. And we have 4, comma negative 7.